Thank you for watching the episode of Temu'S Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is a kit I got from Temu. I'm not real excited to build it, but I am excited to see what the finished product actually looks like in real life. It is a micro brick kit, which are just not my favorite. I like mini brick kits a lot, but the micro, they just tend not to stick together that well and just so much more complicated. However, this has a series of builds, 4 of them, and on Temu anyway, they actually look pretty interesting. This one's supposed to build this kind of white phoenix type bird. You can see it's got a nice flowing tail there. 1,078 pieces, so it's definitely not a small kit. And like a lot of these micro brick kits, they do not look like they have number bags. So you're going to be pouring out 1,000 pieces and trying to get them where they need to go. And trying to see, sometimes I've done some of these where you're laying down like 50 or 60 blocks at a time. This doesn't look quite that bad. Yeah, so we'll get it built here on camera and see what it looks like here in IRL. I'll show you the bricks here first. See, little micro bricks. Can you see that? This is interesting. I did find this, what sure looks like a Lego-sized piece in the kit. So I'm being interested to see how well that fits amongst these micro bricks. Let's just see real quick here. It does not look like it fits on that one. No, I'm very curious to see where that goes. It did come with this very, very tiny brick tool, which is nice. You make a mistake, you can fix it right up. Let's get to building. Okay, we got it done. You know, I like putting it together better than I thought I would, but it's still a micro brick kit, and those, I haven't put together one yet that's had a snap together anywhere near like a Lego brick snaps together. So, like I expected, the brick performance is pretty poor. They don't stick together real well. And it's not too easy or not too difficult to make them fall apart. But it does okay. It's fair. I think it is very pretty. There were probably a few missing pieces here and there, but there's a lot of extra there, you know, that I could still, you know, get the project done and make it look all right. Like I said, I think it's very pretty. It's just doesn't hang together really well. Though I've done worse. Would I do it again? Nope, I probably wouldn't. Temu makes 2 or 3 others that are similar. There's one that's kind of a peacock in color, and then there's one that's kind of a fiery, you know, red, orange, yellow kind of phoenix instead of this white and pink and purple kind of guy. And if I like micro brick kits, I think I would probably be interested in trying to tackle it, but I don't, so I won't. I'll bring them a little closer to camera here, maybe, just so you can kind of see it. They use some decals for the eyes. And then just, I mean, it's over 1,000 bricks. It took probably, I think maybe 6 or 7 hours to put together. It was actually not too bad sorting the bricks out and putting it together. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching another episode of Temu'S Reviews. I hope this brief review helped you decide whether you want to make one of your own, one of these little micro brick phoenixes. I'll have a link to it on from Temu if I can, and I usually try to find on Amazon for you too, just in case you're interested in getting it yourself. If you feel like the look is right for you and you want to do a micro brick kit. Alright, again, oh, and of note, it does actually have Lego-sized bricks to some degree in the bottom here, and some of them seem to want to actually hook up to these micro bricks okay. So I was kind of surprised about that. But yeah, so it does actually use some Lego-sized pieces. even if they're not Lego bricks themselves. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. Please, please, please subscribe. We need you desperately. And, yeah. Consider supporting us on Patreon for $1 a month to get ad-free extra videos. That $1 help you decide what to love making next. Maybe it's going to be one of these guys. Thanks for watching.